Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out who views our Instagram story. So if you just update your story and you want to find out the list of the viewers of your story, for example, you can do that by following the steps. So first, open your Instagram. And here click on your story at the top right corner, and then what you need to do is swipe up like this and you'll find the viewers, or later the list of the viewers of your Instagram story, or who views your Instagram story this on this site right here. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.